Today we are here to ask and answer one simple question. Was ChatGPT able to predict the price of Bitcoin, XRP, and Cardano for the month of January? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we play a game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency each month. Then the following month we take a look and see if they were right or see if they were wrong. Alright, first off we have Bitcoin, and let's be clear, we weren't close really in any of these ranges. The closest one it was to was the bearish guess. The exact guess was 89,750, range 87,500 to 92,000. And if we take a look at January 31st, we were sitting at around $83,409, and we collapsed all the way down to right under 78,000. So clearly nowhere near the range, and unfortunately ChatGPT was unable to predict the price of Bitcoin for the month of January. Now we have Cardano, and it's been an interesting one with Cardano over the last month because it kind of went through waves where it was going back and forth between the bearish and official guesses. The bullish guess, it was nowhere near. The official guess was 41 cents. This is the one where ChatGPT officially gets ranked on. Range between 38 cents and 44 cents. The bearish guess was 30 cents. Range between 27 cents and 32 cents. And if we take a look at January 31st, right at the start of the day, we were sitting at just above 31 cents. However, it quickly deteriorated throughout the day, and we landed at around just over 28 cents, just under 29 cents, depending on how you want to see it. Technically, ChatGPT was within the bearish range, depending on the chart you looked at. Like I know on Phemex earlier today, it actually showed it just under 27 cents. However, we go based off of CoinMarketCap for these videos, and technically it was in the bearish range. So if you wanted to give it a partial point for being in the bearish area, you absolutely could. But in this video, we always go based off of the official guess. So unfortunately, ChatGPT was unable to predict the price of Cardano for the month of January. And now we have XRP, and I'm starting to see this theme that we've seen over the last couple of months since October, where ChatGPT tends to have a hard time predicting the price of bearish months in crypto. It tended to do okay when things were going pretty bullish. But let's take a look. When it comes down to everything, we weren't anywhere near the bullish guess. We weren't even anywhere near the official guess. If we take a look at everything, yeah, we had some positivity in the beginning, but oh my god, literally the last day of the month, we crashed pretty hard. But again, we were right in that bearish area. So if we take a look at the bearish guess, $1.55, range $1.45 to $1.65. And if we take a look as of this morning, January 31st, XRP was sitting just above $1.73, but the day quickly deteriorated and went all the way down to just under $1.57. So if we take a look at it, again, for the month of January, it is going to be another miss for ChatGPT. Again, if you wanted to give it a partial point for being at the top of this range, you definitely could, but in this video, we are always going to go based off the official guess, which it missed. So officially, ChatGPT was unable to predict the price of XRP for the month of January. But that's going to do it for this video, guys. Let me know in the comment section below how you think these guesses have been going. Like I said, since October, I said it earlier on in the video, ChatGPT's kind of been struggling. When things were definitely more bullish, ChatGPT seemed to have a better grasp on a lot of these guesses. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. With that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment, take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.